This is Sharkbite Tee Stop. This is very useful. For example, if you have an existing water line and you want to add in another fitting like a faucet, you can cut it and put this fitting in, and then you add in a water line and you can control it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the PEX and the copper and how to remove them. Let's get started. First step, cut the copper. After the copper was cut, you need to remove the burr. Now you see it's really sharp. First one, to remove the outside using this way and push hard and turn. Let's using this side to clean the inside. Then mark the copper 0.95 inch. You don't need to use the sandpaper to sand the surface, but you're gonna make sure that the copper tube is round and there's no dirt, no damage. For the PEX tube, you just need a pipe cutter and make sure it's square to the pipe. That's it. Next step, mark the insert depth. For ½ inch, we need to measure the 0.95 inch, almost 1 inch, right here. Let's check inside. The white one is the stiffening color. So if you install the PEX, this one must be in there. For copper, it really doesn't matter, but you can leave it in. And you see the metal teeth, actually this is the grab ring. It will grab the tube. And then the inside, there's O-ring. O-ring actually seal the tube. So that's why we need a mark to push all the way in into the tube stop right there. So when you get ready, put in the tube inside the copper like this, and you will touching the grab ring and then line up, push. Now I cannot push any further, it's all the way in. You see the mark is right here, we're good here. So let's install the other side. Other side is basically the same. We just make sure that the inner color is there for the PEX. Put it in and then mark facing us. Push. Keep pushing. Okay, the mark is right here. So sometimes you just want to change your plan or just made a mistake, you want to remove it. For Sharkbite, it's very easy. There is a special tool for this job. This is the disconnector. This side, facing the fitting. Push that in. All you need to do is just push hard and at the same time, grab the tube, take it out. So you need to push really hard. Yeah, like this. And let's do the other side, the same thing. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.